Getting ready to do some epoxy countertops. We're going to do it a little bit different. We're going to use some Krylon texture paint. We'll put down a base coat of sealer. Then we'll put on the texture paint. Then we'll put the epoxy on. We'll see how they look. So we have the base coat drying. It's just kind of a sand color. And what we're going to do is spray this. It'll give it a textured look. We'll let it dry. Give it a little sanding, and then it'll be smooth once we put the epoxy over it. And Rust-Oleum makes a spray paint like this also. But she's wanting grays and sandstone color, so this is what we're going to go with.
That's off, right? Yeah.
Okay, now this has the texture look to it. This just sprays on out of an aerosol can. Relatively easy to do. And then there's a couple of bathroom vanity countertops upstairs, but I'm not going to run up there. But you can basically get the gist of the process. The goal is to be consistently inconsistent. Now I'm just going to take some 120 and just flatten this out just a little bit, just to make it all even, and then we'll put on the epoxy. Now this has a second coat of epoxy on it, and I'm not going for glass. It's going to have a little bit of a texture to it, but not real bad. This is a rental, so it's going to be fine just like it is. Came out real good.